Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then find and select More under Wireless and Networks, and here click on Tethering and Portable Hotspot. If you would like to activate Wi-Fi Hotspot, simply select the last tab, which is for Wi-Fi Hotspot, and activate it by tapping on the switcher on the top of the screen. And that's it. From now on, your Wi-Fi hotspot is active. Here you've got the sign, and if you would like to change the network name and the password, click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And here you have possibility to update network name. And if you will click on Show Password, you will be able to see what your current password is, and then you can delete it and enter a new one. Just remember that it must have at least 8 characters. And then click on Save, wait another couple of seconds, and here it is. So this is how you can personalize your Wi-Fi hotspot, how you can switch it on, and obviously you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping on the switcher. Then if you would like to quickly activate it, slide down the upper bar, and now locate hotspot. Here it is, simply tap on the switcher, wait a few seconds, and now it's active. Then you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.